So when it comes to solving trig equations in the calculator, there's really nothing special or different here. We're still talking in terms of our main functions and their inverses. It's just a different context. We're making some different numbers. So here if we have tangent of x equals 3.044 and we want to find x, understand that 3.1044 isn't anything special in terms of the tangent function, or at least not at face value. So you want to use the calculator here to get something approximate for it, where we're going to use the inverse tangent function to turn that radial type measurement 3.1044 that we have right here into something a bit more angular, where we should understand that what we're going to get is an angle in radians, if we run this by default, of about 1.2592. And then if we want to get the third quadrant here, we're going to have to add a pi to get the right rotation. So we'll just take this and add to it a value of pi to get the appropriate approximation. Similarly, if we want to find the appropriate x value such that sine of x is equal to negative 0.2315, same sort of idea. We'll go into the calculator, get our inverse sine, plug in that 0.2315, and obtain our appropriate angle measurement in a sense here, where from there we should understand that we're not quite getting what we want, so we need to make some adjustments. First, we'll take our value and add to it pi to get into the third quadrant, because our default answer here is in the first quadrant. So we get that in quadrant 3. And then if we want the value in quadrant 4, we could do a whole rotation around, or we could take 2 pi and subtract from it our value to get something like so.